Hello there, it's Alex. Today we're painting up some of the terrain from the Sundered Fate Warcry set. So these parts stuck out to me the most, so that's what we're painting on today's video. They look like Seraphon ruins. The fact that they are announcing a bunch of new Seraphon minis I thought is quite equivalent. So as you can see on screen, I will be showing you the paints I'm using. So I'm using the Wildwood Contrast here for the dirt around the ruins. So just apply around the corners and that, take your time. It actually works really nicely with the Zemphiel Prime. And then we're using some of the Skeleton Horde for, I know, the skeleton bits. Very convenient that. So yeah, just apply that on the skeleton parts and they'll look bony amongst the dirt and stuff. So it's great. But yeah, these bits of terrain are awesome. They look really cool. And here we are using the Plague Bearer flesh for the trees because I want more kind of like a, not full on bamboo look, but more of like a dead tree look. And then as you see here, I've mixed Black Templar with the contrast Lamian Medium. So it's like 2 lots Lamian Medium to one part of the Black Templar, and it goes over the kind of Zemphiel Prime quite nicely. I used Mechanica Standard Grey and then Gracia. Some people prefer using like a darker under base coat for the Prime, but you do it your way. And then I thought to pick out these ruins a bit, I used the colours what was shown on screen, which I can't remember. So that's very useful. And it's just come to me, a Cleaning Green and Blood Angel Red. And you can already see how it pops up the ruins a bit, those colours. I didn't want to go too much. I was originally going to do some like gold and metallics, but I was like, no, I'm going to keep this simple. I think the red and blues work really nicely. And here's a really fun, exciting bit. Yes, shading. Who doesn't love banging on a bunch of shade? So with anything when shading, you don't want to let it pool up in the recesses, so just be careful. Use a brush to get rid of the pooling up recesses. So here, I've put the washes on. They're dry. They look kind of cool. I'm happy with them, but we're going to dry brush them up a bit, so just to help pop up those edges. And we're going to use Tamarata Stone. You can dry brush with anything you want. You don't have to use this particular paint. It's just the one I had on hand, and I don't mind using it for dry brushing terrain, so that's why we're using that one today. But it'll just help pop up some of the high edges on the model, and it just bring it together a bit, and I think it'll make it pop. So as you see here, I've set it up, and then I've put a miniature from a previous thing I've painted. There's the description card if you want to see how I painted that little lad. And yeah, hopefully you like this video. It was fun to paint some terrain. I quite enjoy painting terrain. Thank you for checking out the video. If you want to support the things like this, give it a like, give it a comment, sub, share around. It's all greatly appreciated. We will get round to painting the separate team, the Obsidian lads. And yeah, so before I go, this is Alex Temps Tabletop. Thanks for watching. Thank you to the people on screen. £1 a month just means thanks. You get some blogs and that. We've got a new kind of mini series coming soon, so that's going to be awesome. But till then, you all take care and yeah, have a good one.